In a recent national media, a news has been published that Nehru he is protecting a person who pilfers the INA fund. So what's your response?
Actually, they are indicating to SAIR. SAIR was the information minister in the INA. This is the person subsequently became very close to Nehru. I have repeatedly told you there was a rule in this India after partition that no INA person will be reinstated in the army, and also no one will be allowed to be in a very high social position or political position in India. And I have repeatedly told you there are few exceptions. One is SAIR, other is Shahnawaz Khan, other is Lokhi Saigal. Remember, in the Nehru's mechanism, these are the very important persons. They came in the loop of Nehru. And whatever Nehru tried to tell to the people of India regarding INA and Subhash Bose, those have been told through these mouths. And by this mechanism, Nehru have been successful to tell these things which have been accepted partially at least by the people of India. And this is a good mechanism. And don't forget, these are the people in the loop of Nehru. In the pilferage of the money, the fund, INA fund, which was preserved in Tokyo Azad Hind Bank, also Singapore, and some banks in the Southeast Asia of Burma, Thailand and Malaysia, there is a huge pilferage. In this pilferage, the Mountbatten and the British intelligence officer Figgis and Nehru was the central characters. They are telling this IR as the man of pilferage. Not only that, Nehru is the active participant there. Nehru not only protected these persons from investigation, which was suggested by the senior ICS officers. Nehru was the active participant in this pilferage. Nehru was the beneficiary at the same time. I have shown you many a time that Nehru at one instance, only in one day, received 6 kilo of gold, which was seized by the British officers beyond the office of the custodian of the enemy property. That is the wealth unofficially seized. There are INA property, INA fund, which have been seized officially, that is under the enemy property, custodian of the enemy property. And this gold has come from a source to the Nehru's account in the overseas bank from the unaccounted area. Nehru is a direct beneficiary in the pilferage. I think, I do not know why the media is not focusing that. I have written articles in last 13 years, few articles on this Nehru's role in this pilferage of money. Not only as a protector of the thieves of the INA fund, but Nehru himself a thief in this process of pilferage of the INA fund. And one thing to add like this here. Remember, I have told you many a time that this declassification of the truth, the files on Subhash Bose will depend on not only changes political in the subcontinent, but more on the changes in the West Asia and Europe. And I am assuring you, the changes in the West Asia and North Africa, which has started, has now swallowed the whole mainland of Europe, the more that will swallow the UK and USA, that will mature a situation when more files containing the real truth will come out. We have to wait for that.